G'day, how are you? There was a time, not too long ago, that cell phones could be stolen. In fact, they were stolen, and people had their phones stolen all the time. But nowadays, cell phones, whether Apple, whether Android, whatever they are, they're largely unstealable. And for various reasons. One, they've got a passcode you can't bypass in any way. Secondly, they've got a GPS unit in them. So at any moment, you can ping them and find out where they are. There are applications, Find My iPhone, that allows you to log in at any moment and find out where your device is. Anytime it connects to the network, you can ping and ascertain where it was. You can have it set to brick itself upon command remotely. Any of these things which largely make stealing cell phones. And not only that, even if they were to be stolen for parts, a lot of times the parts are actually paired to the device or to the frame. And then of course you've got things like the IMEI number, which means that anytime the phone is used on a network, you can isolate where it is, who it called, all the information that comes with it. So all of this has largely made phones unstealable. The question then that I have is, why isn't it available in cameras? All this stuff that's in phones that makes them unstealable should be in cameras. Cameras are worth a heap of cash, man. And I sometimes wonder, why the hell do criminals go down and rob a bank when all they have to do is turn up at the local hatchery waiting for the albino white swan to take its first maiden flight across the frozen lake, go down there and rob everybody. Everybody's carrying $30,000 to $70,000 of equipment in their hands or in their bags, not to mention what they've left in their boots. So if you're, forget about all that. Just go rob your bank. If you're a criminal, you're not smart anyway. You're not smart. Just go back to robbing bank. But the point of the video remains. So often they're talking about how phones are going to take over the camera world, how the technology in phones is going to take over the cameras. And you know, in a lot of ways it is true. Because even if the camera is not quite up to scratch in your phone, it still offers a lot of positives over what your camera does. I mean, it's more portable for a start, and the fact that it's unstealable contains technology that a camera could easily contain itself. I mean, seriously, why don't they just put the phone on the back of the camera and everything that's in the phone is now in the camera? The GPS, the unstealability, the passcode, the paired components, the Find My camera, all of those things. Why not? Why not? Why not? These things cost lots of money, lots and lots of money. And sure, we do want to a degree to have one tool, one job. That's probably not what we want at all. But you get the idea. We want it to be good at taking photos, not necessarily being good at not being stolen. But having some enhanced ability at not being stolen would be awesome too. Anyway, it's just food for thought. I said it was a short one, so